Perfect bacon cheeseburger. To cook a perfect bacon cheeseburger, you will need the following ingredients. 1 lb. 2 ground beef, preferably 80% lean and 20% fat. 2 4 slices of bacon. 3 4 slices of cheddar cheese. 4 hamburger buns. 5 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 6 salt and pepper. Optional toppings: lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise. Here is a shopping list for making bacon cheeseburgers. 1 ground beef. 2 bacon. 3 cheddar cheese slices. 4 hamburger buns. 5 vegetable oil. 6 lettuce, optional. 7 tomato, optional. 8 onion, optional. 9 pickles, optional. 10 ketchup, optional. 11 mustard, optional. 12 mayonnaise, optional. Once you have gathered all the necessary ingredients, you can start cooking the bacon cheeseburgers by shaping the ground beef into 4 patties and seasoning them with salt and pepper. Cook the patties on a grill or in a pan with some vegetable oil until they are cooked to your liking. Meanwhile, cook the bacon until crispy and melt the cheese on top of the cooked beef patties. Toast the hamburger buns. Assemble the burgers by placing the beef patty with cheese on the bottom bun, add a slice of bacon on top, and any optional toppings of your choice. Finally, add the top bun and serve. Enjoy your delicious bacon cheeseburger. How to make a delicious bacon cheeseburger from scratch. Here's a simple recipe for making a delicious bacon cheeseburger from scratch. Ingredients: 1 lb. 2 ground beef, preferably 80% lean and 20% fat. 2 4 slices of bacon. 3 4 slices of cheddar cheese. 4 hamburger buns. 5 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 6 salt and pepper. Instructions: 1 cook the bacon in a pan until it's crispy. 1 remove from the pan and set aside. 2 shape the ground beef into 4 patties and season each patty with salt and pepper. 3 cook the beef patties for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until they're cooked to your liking. 3 during the last minute of cooking, add a slice of cheese to each patty and allow it to melt. 4 while the beef patties are cooking, toast the hamburger buns in a toaster or on a grill. 5 add any additional toppings of your choice, such as lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, ketchup, mustard, or mayonnaise. 6 top the burgers with the remaining half of the buns, and serve immediately. Enjoy your delicious homemade bacon cheeseburgers. Tips for crafting the ultimate bacon cheeseburger. Secrets of the pros. If you want to craft the ultimate bacon cheeseburger, here are some tips and secrets of the pros to help you take your burger game to the next level. 1 choose the right meat. Use ground beef that is at least 80% lean and 20% fat to ensure that your burger is juicy and flavorful. 2 add flavor to the patty. Season the beef patty with salt and pepper, but don't be afraid to add other seasonings, such as garlic powder, onion powder, or Worcestershire sauce, to give your burger extra flavor. 3 use high-quality bacon. Choose thick-cut bacon that is crispy and flavorful. 3 cook the bacon until it's crispy, but not burnt, to add texture and flavor to your burger. 4 choose the right cheese. Use a high-quality cheese that melts well, such as cheddar, Swiss, or pepper jack. 4 consider trying different cheeses to find your favorite combination. 5 Toast the buns. Toasting the buns on a grill or in a pan adds a crispy texture and extra flavor to your burger. 6. Choose the right toppings. Add toppings that complement the flavors of the beef patty, bacon, and cheese. 6. Some popular options include lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. 7. Don't overcook the patty. Overcooking the beef patty can make it dry and tough. 7. Cook the patty to your desired level of doneness, but be careful not to overcook it. 8. Let the burger rest. Letting the burger rest for a few minutes before serving allows the juices to redistribute, making it juicier and more flavorful. By following these tips and secrets of the pros, you can make the perfect bacon cheeseburger that will impress your family and friends. The best bacon cheeseburger at birthday party. If you're looking to serve the best bacon cheeseburger at a birthday party, here are some tips. 1. Prepare the patties in advance. You can shape the beef patties ahead of time and store them in the refrigerator until you're ready to cook them. 2. Cook the bacon in the oven. To save time and avoid splatters, you can cook the bacon in the oven instead of on the stove. 2. Place the bacon on a wire rack over a baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until crispy. 3. Offer a variety of toppings. Set up a toppings bar with a variety of options such as lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. 3. This allows your guests to customize their burgers to their liking. 4. Toast the buns. Toasting the buns on a grill or in a pan adds a crispy texture and extra flavor to your burger. 4. You can also brush the buns with garlic butter or olive oil for extra flavor. 5. Keep the burgers warm. Once the burgers are cooked, keep them warm in a covered dish or in a warming tray until ready to serve. By following these tips, you can serve the best bacon cheeseburger at your birthday party and impress your guests with your cooking skills.